Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain how can you whiten your teeth by using toothpaste and toothbrush. How can you whiten your teeth by using toothpaste and toothbrush? So if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. In front of you we have a toothpaste, also we have a toothbrush. And the toothpaste here, it is Whiten, but you can also use Colgate. It depends what is your preference. So you can use Colgate or Whiten. And also here I have a toothbrush. So there are different ways of whitening your teeth. So in this video I'm going to explain how can you whiten your teeth by using toothbrush and toothpaste. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you can learn. So some people, they like just to brush your teeth. They just like to brush their teeth only for few seconds. For example, a person can brush only for, and then after there, he or she is done. By doing that, you cannot whiten your teeth. So make sure that you brush your teeth for at least 3 minutes. And you make sure that you brush your teeth by using a good toothbrush, and you must use a toothpaste. Okay, so in the toothpaste you can use Colgate or Whiten. So I'm going to show you how can you whiten your teeth by using toothbrush and toothpaste. So let's begin. Okay, so you are going to brush your teeth. After brushing your teeth, some people they forget to brush their tongue. So make sure that you brush your tongue also. Some people they forget. So make sure that you brush your tongue also. And you brush your tongue very well. And you're brushing your teeth, make sure that you brush all angles of the mouth. So this is the example of how after brushing my teeth, this is the outcome. Yes, so as you can see them, my teeth now, they are white. So when you brush your teeth by using toothpaste and toothbrush, and you see that your teeth, they do not become white, you can go to the hospital, because there are some of the conditions which they may cause yellow teeth or your teeth to be decolorized. So make sure to go to the hospital for more management, and especially you must go and see a dentist. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like and don't forget to comment. Thank you.